What is going on, everybody? Am I live? My screen is frozen. Am I live here? Testing, testing, 1, 2. I think my camera is frozen. Let's check it out now. Let's go back to the stream starting soon. All right. Well, you guys can hear me, but my camera's not working. So let's figure that out. 1 second, folks. All right. Cool. Let's just put the music back on. There we go. I don't know what's wrong with my system. All right, we're live. We're live. Let's move my screen over my dead screen from yesterday. So weird. Again, OBS issues when I don't even do anything. All right, we're back. We're here. What's going on, everybody? Let's bring up the chat. 1 second. I have everything like all ready to go. And all I have to do is hit the stream button. But of course, there's technical difficulties. So I think we're good now. We're on my screen. Oh, great. Now there's an echo. Oh, wait. I know why. All right. Now there shouldn't be an echo. Texting, 1, 2. Appreciate you guys putting up with the technical difficulties. What's up, Laserface? Saw that you were like number 1. Thank you for that. Tommy Martin, Oculus L. Kevin Villacorta. Glad you guys are joining us today. I hope our audio is working. Taco. Thank you, Oculus L. Thank you guys for being here. All right, looks like we're good. I'm good at doing like on the fly technical difficulty changes, but I hope every stream that I don't have to deal with them. But hey, that's the life of being a streamer. All right. So we're here, we're live. Let's get into crypto markets. That's why you guys are here, right? All right. So Bitcoin is sitting at $107,000. Let's see what it got up to over the last few days. It got up to $108,239. This actually was this morning at around 10 a.m. So we saw an all-time high for Bitcoin earlier today. Love that. Ethereum still cannot stay above 4K. What the fuck is going on with Ethereum? It just likes to chill out below $4,000. Always gets pushed back down. It makes no sense to me. What else is moving? XRP is up 6.86% today. Solana up 4%. Cardano's had some... I don't understand what is wrong with Cardano. They are their own worst enemies. The Cardano Foundation is like fighting with the Cardano folks and Charles Hoskinson. Seems like a bunch of school children throwing shit at each other. I mean, I'm still going to hold. And just try to avoid all of the drama. Maybe they'll figure it out and Cardano can start going back up again. I mean, it's good. It's holding $1.09. So there is that. Let's look at the top gainers today. So obviously, Pudgy Penguins launched last night. Not really last night. They launched this morning at around 8 a.m. So I set my alarm. I got up and I went straight to my claiming laptop. And I believe I got around 30,000. Yeah, I got 30,394 Pengu tokens. So this morning when I claimed, there was a little issue with the claiming website. I mean, you got to expect there's like over 1 million people that headed to that website all at one time to claim their rewards. So there was a little issues. It worked for me once I turned my VPN off. I was having issues just connecting my wallets. So we'll go into it. We'll go into it. So before we do, though, give us a follow over here at Degen Alpha Show. We are live on X and YouTube. This is your guide to confident blockchain navigation and the wildest degenerate crypto picks, hosted by me, crypto_taco01, the one and only. So give me a follow. I also host the Roundtable Space account. I am the Web3 gaming host, live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. I'm going to be playing Shatterline tomorrow. I was playing it yesterday. I think it's a really, really polished game. I'd say AAA quality. They have a co-op mode, like a campaign mode, so you can go in with another player, or you can just play by yourself. And obviously, they have PvP modes, so you can play online with other people as well. And no matter what game mode that you play in, you can earn real money. So maybe start playing this game if you like first person shooters. Graphics are amazing, and it is $5 on the Epic Games Store, so keep that in mind. Tommy Martin, when you get a chance, can you answer a question? Why do they have more than one bird dog? I bought the wrong token because there's more than one. Had to spend double gas fees to get the right one. So obviously we're in crypto and it's pretty decentralized to the point of like I could create a token, I could create a Pengu token, I could create the bird dog token. Uh, the the kicker is people also have to I or other people have to add liquidity to the pair. So like let's say I wanted to create Pengu. I would also have to create a liquidity pair between Pengu and Solana, and it would exist alongside the real Pengu. It just would not show with the liquidity, the market cap, and the volume, and obviously with the FDV, the fully diluted valuation. So let's see. Bird Dog. All right. So depending on which one you bought, you're looking at completely different tokens. So make sure that the token that you're looking at is the one that you want to buy. You can do that a few ways. You can do it by market cap. You can do it by the actual contract address for the token. Liquidity is also a big factor here. And obviously 24-hour, all of these factors should go into, is this the right token or is this a knockoff version that they're trying to steal the actual value from the real project. So let's say you bought this one, for example. It did come out 7 months ago, but it's only at a 773K market cap with 187K of liquidity. That might look fine, but the 24-hour volume is super low when you compare it to this one. 13.3 million market cap with almost a million in liquidity, and the 24-hour volume is 1.1 million. So again, this is on Ethereum also, so you have to keep in account the transaction fee on the Ethereum mainnet. My favorite place to find the actual gas fee, or the GUI they call it, is on Etherscan. So when GUI goes up, your transaction fee on the Ethereum mainnet goes up. If you are running a different type of transaction, so if you're swapping, it's going to be a different fee than if you're just sending Ethereum from one wallet to the other wallet. If you're buying an NFT, it bumps up the price. If you're bridging or if you're borrowing or doing any DeFi, the price is most likely going to increase because of the complexity of the smart contract. So it just goes back to making sure that the token that you want to buy is the legit token, the real token. And most of the time, that is the higher market cap, the higher liquidity, 24-hour volume. So most likely that's exactly what I did. So what token did you buy? Oh, so I answered the question. All right, cool. Let's see if Bird Dog comes up on CoinMarketCap. This is also a good way to find the real one. So, all right. So this one, you see 13.7 million market cap. You see this one right under it is a 1.8 million market cap. And then you got an even lower one and a super, super tiny one that's most likely, all three of these are most likely scams and not the real project. So we're looking at this one since it's the highest market cap, highest 24-hour volume. So we can take the contract address and we could take it over to Dex Screener here, and we could either compare the contract address, which it is the same, so we don't even have to paste it in here. But that is the way to find the pairs with the token that you're looking for. So now that you have the contract address, that's like half the battle. Now, look at the different pairs that people have created in the token of the one that you're looking at. So again, the top one is the main one. Underneath it, the liquidity is only $121. And under that, I mean, this is not even the correct token, and it's not even the correct contract address. So I don't know why they even threw this one up here, but it's 155 in liquidity and $28 in 24-hour volume. So there's a few different metrics that you can check out before you distinguish. Is this the correct token, or is this a knockoff or a scam token? I hope that helps. All right. So yeah, I did what you said and went on CoinMarketCap and got the right one. Awesome. Perfect. And some of the times, if it's not on CoinMarketCap, it's most likely like super brand new and small. It's probably a smaller token, brand new, smaller token, because I believe you have to pay to get on CoinMarketCap. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe you do have to pay to get on CoinMarketCap. So yeah, just be careful when you're trying to buy these tokens, these smaller, not so well-known tokens. You want to make sure you're buying the correct one. All right, so different ways that you could have qualified for the Pudgy Penguins Pengu airdrop. If you used Magic Eden before 2023, you are eligible for the Pudgy airdrop. So I believe in one of these tweets, I have the actual Luca Nets going through a video of how to claim. I'll show that for you guys. But this was posted about an hour ago. 250,000 new community members and counting. The Pengu proliferation has just begun. Welcome to the huddle. So that's amazing. In just less than half a day, you have more than 250,000 holders of Pengu. And again, I got about 30,000. This morning it was worth around $1,800. Now it's worth around $800. So we'll see. I don't plan on selling, and I believe that maybe the token price will go up once around 70-80% of people claim their tokens. Then you have that like that grace period of people that, all right, I claim, I don't want to dump it right away, so I'm going to hold on to it. And then you got the people that have not claimed, they don't qualify to claim, so they're going to have FOMO, and they're going to want to own some. That's my thinking. All right, so here's the video. Here's a video of the claim process for Pudgy Penguin holders. Here we go, guys.
You're at claim.pudgypenguins.com. Hey everyone, Luca Nets here, and I'm just going to walk you guys through the Pudgy Penguins Pengu claim. The first things first, I want you guys to make sure you're at claim.pudgypenguins.com. Anything else is a scam. If you're a Pudgy Penguin holder, the first thing you want to do is link your ETH wallet as such. So it's going to ask you to connect. You click connect. We have an awesome wallet guard pop up. Shout out to them. And we are now going to confirm. Once it is confirmed, you are given your total claimable Pengu, and it is given exactly what is indexed on that. Now you can actually stack wallets. So if you have more wallets that you want to link, just link your other ETH wallets.
See, this is the part that's kind of wonky, because he's saying, Luca Nets is saying, you can link other ETH wallets, but the way I run my wallets is I have them on different browsers under different Google profiles. So I would have to add every single wallet to the main browser where I'm trying to check my allocation, or I could take the claim pudgypenguins.com link, go to those browsers, and connect my wallet to see if I am eligible there.
For the sake of simplicity, we're not going to do that, and we're going to move on to the second part of the claim, which is connecting your Solana wallet. So we will do it as such.
So the Solana wallet is where you'll be claiming tokens.
We will confirm. And here you will be asked to claim your Pengu.
So if you are an OG Solana user, so if your wallet if your Phantom wallet is old, you've been using it for a while, maybe since 2023, I would double check your allocation. You might be an OG Solana user.
Pengu. And so here you are going to see a pop-up. This pop-up is relevant.
All right, so this is essentially a way to link that Ethereum wallet and that Solana wallet, or you can just skip and claim the Pengu. What's up, Donato Cabrera? Glad you're joining us today.
For Pudgy Penguins, specifically around being able to link your Ethereum. Will be published. Will go towards the signature.
All right, so it's one signature, and sometimes your allocation is broken up into two signatures, as you can see in his. I think that was a little cool sound effect and a little visual.
Total Pengu claimed. Now, one point I didn't get to, I just want to make sure that your Solana wallet needs some sort of Solana in it.
And obviously, yeah, you're going to need some Solana in your wallet for the transaction fee, so you can actually claim your Pengu. But there was actually like a little hidden alpha here. Let's see if he scrolls down. Join Abstract and get something special. So maybe start thinking about experimenting with the Abstract blockchain. It's going to be launching next year in January, and their testnet is live. So you can run some testnet transactions, possibly securing an airdrop for doing so. And here's another airdrop that I just checked this morning that I qualify for. Aligned airdrop for Aigon. I mean, if you've been watching this channel for months, you are most likely an Aigon layer user. ZK Sync. I actually checked my ZK Sync wallet. I had like 4,000 ZK Sync in there, worth around $1,000. So also Starknet and more. So aligned layer. We accelerate the roadmap of Ethereum by making proof verification faster and cheaper. If you have a proof, we can verify it for 10% of the cost. And they're airdropping aligned tokens to users holding tokens from leading zero knowledge and Ethereum ecosystem projects. So eligibility. Users holding any of these tokens at their lowest price can check their eligibility. So we have Aigon. We also experimented with Scroll, Polygon, ZK Sync. We even have Mina. So I want to actually go back and double check my allocation, because I've had Mina in my what is the Oro, AURO. I've had Mina staked in my Oro wallet for a long time. So let me look real quick. Yeah, I'm eligible for 7,403, and my eligibility criteria is Polygon, ZK Sync, and Aigon. So it didn't even check my Mina protocol because I didn't connect that wallet. So I might go back and redo the eligibility checker to see if my Mina qualifies, because it seems like all you had to do is hold it. Hold the tokens. Super easy. I'll drop this in the airdrop channel of the Telegram. Make sure to join the Telegram. The link is our pinned tweet on the Degen Alpha Show X account. So let's go to airdrops and type this one in. Boom. All right. We have the airdrop channel, so you can go through this to see some of the airdrops that we have been farming. Obviously, we have the general chat. Someone just joined, so I had to welcome them. All right. So general, for all the general chat, airdrop. We have 185 members too. It's growing. It's growing. Degeneracy, I post in here a lot. So I was posting about this H2W6GM6JZ token that I was talking about yesterday on stream. And if you bought anytime yesterday, before, during, or after the stream, you are most likely up. I mean, it was up 168% about 4 hours after my stream yesterday. Also, Aigon is having a great month, up 122%. We farmed 3 different wallets for Aigon. We sold 1 wallet and we kept 2 wallets. So I'm glad I kept 2 wallets, because now we're up pretty good. And what else? Simon's Cat. I was talking about Simon's Cat. It got listed on Binance. So there's the Binance pump. But on this channel, This is like the third or fourth token that I front ran a Binance listing. So if you were front running Binance and you bought some Simon, congratulations. That was a nice 50% pump right there. I was talking about the Pengu possible allocation per holder. Chonks. I mentioned this mint last week, and I minted two of them, and now the chonks are above mint price. It was only 0.01, but now they're up to 1.0132. Yeah. So a lot of alpha in here. Also taco trading in TA. I was talking about Griffane. I mean, this looks like a bull flag forming with a price target of about half a million, or I'm sorry, half a billion market cap. So maybe a good opportunity to get on Griffane. It's the AI agent on Solana. We also have RefLinks if you want to check out some of the protocols and platforms that we're using. Photon, Get Grass, Moonshot. Moonshot had one of its highest recorded users, I believe, either yesterday or today. BonkBot, I think Nicole Minis Tater is using BonkBot now. We also have BullX if you want to prefer a better dashboard. And EtherFi for liquid restaking token rewards on Ethereum. We also got TradingView and CoinW if you want to trade no KYC leverage on CoinW. And we also got our own meme coin. It's called D Taco on Cardano. Just having fun with it. I own most of the supply, 21%. If we get out of the bonding curve, I plan on airdropping it to the holders of D Taco. So yeah, make sure you check out your possible allocation on the line. Anyone interested in AI tokens? It seems like a pretty nice dip across the board. Let's see some of these that we've gotten in the past. Let's see, Zerebro we got in the past. Chaos, we made money on Zerebro and Chaos. Let's see what else we got here. I've heard a decent amount about PNet. Obviously, Fartcoin. Fartcoin, I believe, broke a 900 million market cap. Let's check out Fartcoin. Yeah, it's up to a 908 million market cap. This thing has just been on an absolute tear. Your opportunity to buy it was 14 days ago, and it's already up 4x from that point. So, who knows how high this can go? It's got the perfect narrative. I mean, it's ran up to a pretty impressive market cap. I mean, it's up 4 million just in that little bit I was talking. It's got the perfect name for this space. I mean, crypto is known by like regular people as like, oh, it's a scam. Oh, it's all scammers and hackers, and oh, you're gonna lose all your money if you invest in crypto. So with all of that in the background, then you have this thing called Fartcoin, almost up to a billion market cap. It's just like the perfect narrative. I don't know what else to say about it. It's just it's insane. I mean, we live in bizarro land. We live in bizarro land where this time of cycle we wake up and there's a new airdrop that we're qualified for. It almost seems like every single day now there's another airdrop that we qualify for. This one is actually coming out in 5 minutes. Nifty Island. So we've been playing this on the Mario Fall Roundtable X account, and we are actually, I played it on my personal way back in the day, and then I played it on my streaming computer. So I kind of have like a split allocation, but it looks like the island token is now live 11 minutes ago. After an X security issue this morning, we are back, safe and ready to go. Let's see what it's at, because I am most likely going to claim this after the stream. Let's go to another. This was mentioned on my stream a while ago. Blinks, which is the ability to add like a link to a crypto like swap or an NFT buy. You can just like post it on your X page, and someone can just go to it and purchase the mint or swap or do whatever via a blink. I mean, it's on a hefty discount right now. It's down 84% after going up about 1,000% almost. But let's check out the island token. A lot of fireworks today with Pengu, so I don't know if it was such a great idea for Island to drop today at the same time. Let's see. Let's go to the 1 minute since this thing is brand new. Oh my gosh, that's not a good look. So obviously you had the initial run up, 150K. I'm sorry, 150 million market cap it launched at. Got up to almost a 300 million market cap, but now we're at 52 million. Not great, not great. And this is on Ethereum mainnet, so you got to deal with the gas fees, but at least there's somewhat some liquidity. I would expect this to be a little bit higher for a 52 million market cap, but I mean it's brand new. It literally launched about 30 minutes ago, so hey, free money if you played a video game. So how can you complain about that? But anyone in the chat, anyone buy any of these tokens or have been looking at any of these tokens? Let's look at PNet. Let's go back to the tweet, make sure that we're looking at the right one. PNet, volume, transactions, liquidity, market cap. PNet, 16 million market cap, so it's fallen since his tweet. Yeah, we're at a 13.7 million market cap, 849K liquidity, 10 million volume, so this is definitely the correct one. It must be on some nice sell-off. All right, so this is PNet. What is PNet? Oh, and I also want to show you guys that H2 here. Hold on one second. I want to show you guys this one too. If it wants to load. There's some craziness going on with this project. The dev has been buying. The dev has been buying. It recently just went lower than my average buy. Damn it. I could have sold on like a 30, 40, even a 50% gain, but I think this thing could go to 100 million market cap. All right, anyway, so PNet. What is PNet? Principles Network. Not a university, a universe. Is that what it just said? We are building the first network of AI principles operating specialized academics, academies on chain fully autonomously. Okay, all right. A lot of this AI stuff is actually like over my head. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Let's go to their Twitter. First digital ecosystem of autonomous AI principles building on-chain academies. I can't freaking say that word for some reason. Decent views. 23,000, 13,000, 16,000. So yeah, I'm gonna be speculating on this list. A bunch of different AI tokens on this list, and a lot of them have had a decent sell-off, just like this one. PNet down 58%. What is the down brought down on here? 54%. Benji on base went on a big run after getting featured on a big YouTube channel, but it has given most of it back. Benji, let's check it out. I've heard of Benji before. Benji on base. All right, so I'm guessing it might have been mentioned around here. Went on an 82% run over 4 hours. That's pretty good. Let's go out to the daily. Still think it could catch Miggles at some point. I think Miggles just got some licensing through Coinbase. So that was a nice run back in June of this year. Benji. Let's check out Benji. The oldest dog breed in history. Beisenji. It's a different name on here than it is Benji Beisenji. Okay. 16.7 thousand followers. That's pretty good. We are proud to announce that Benji has officially partnered with Wintermute. So there are a market maker. So that might bring, this was on June 6th. May, June. Look at that. As soon as they, so, all right, so they, all right, let's, so June 6th, we are proud to announce that Benji is officially partnered with Wintermute. So that means that they were probably buying up Benji before this announcement, which was made on this day. So they already ran it up 400%. They came out with the Wintermute, and then it ran up another 167%. So they are now the market makers for this project. I guess it's holding a pretty stable base around a 16 million market cap. Down here, though, it's at a 8 million market cap. So let's check out Miggles. Yeah, we missed Miggles 2 times. We minted the on base summer Miggles NFT, and we completely forgot to check the chart because I didn't think that they were going to come out with a token. So we had about 3 months to buy it, and we did not, and it went on another 1,000% run, or 10x. It's currently down about 42%. The lowest drawdown was 58%. So it's holding up pretty well above. I guess you could say this has been the support flipped, or resistance flip support. Pretty decent volume. So yeah, I think Miggles is going to perform well. I don't know if I would want to buy it now. Can it get up to an evaluation of the other cat meme coins? Possibly. Simon's cat is down 20% today after its 50% gain yesterday, and we're at a 344 million market cap. So can Mr. Miggles perform a 3x and get to the evaluation of Simon's cat? I think Simon's cat has way deeper lore. Simon's cat. 6.33 million subscribers. I don't think Mr. Miggles has anywhere near that. Also has little short videos. This one's 11 minutes, but it came out 3 days ago. It has 80,000 views. Just little cartoons, but this has been going on for 16 years. So Simon's cat is not just some knockoff, this cycle's brand new meme coin. It has some deep lore. 16 years in the making. All right, what else do I got for you guys? If you are an OG Solana user, I would check your eligibility. You might have around $88. It's probably worth like $40 now, but still free money. This guy's going into AI tickers. We just looked at PNet. Realize is gaming, tech, swarm, security audits. We were looking at Mizuki. Mizuki is been fudded recently because people don't think it's real. I dumped mine because I don't know about it anymore. Too much FUD. Might be a good opportunity to get in. It already has fallen around 81%. 11.5 million market cap, so it's pretty small. Decent volume though, 5.1 million, and the liquidity is locked, so that's good. All right, let's see. MasterCard is coming to Cardano. We are stoked to share that our Catalyst proposal with Mercury IO to bring MasterCard to Cardano has passed. Thank you for your trust and support. Together, we are shaping the future of finance by making ADA part of your daily payments. So let's say you got a bag of ADA and you don't want to just send it off to your Coinbase, exchange it for USD, and then send it to your bank. Now you can most likely just hook up your MasterCard to your most likely this wallet. Is this a wallet? It's a dApp, yeah, with a wallet at its core. So maybe you're going to need this wallet if you want to use a MasterCard to pay with Cardano. If Cardano gets up to $8, $10, that might be what I want to do, because I'd have a lot of Cardano, and just doing all those swaps would waste money. All right, so this is sad. This is sad, but also completely avoidable if you just use your brain. So they bought the Pengu token before liquidity was added to it. So they bought 10K worth of Pengu, and they got filled at a $14 trillion market cap. So obviously, Pengu is not worth $14 trillion in market cap. Bitcoin is worth, I think, 2 trillion. 2.1 trillion. So, yeah, they bought it way before it was actually live, and it caused them to have like a 99% and permanent loss. They received $5 or $3 worth of the Pengu token. It's kind of sad, but again, it's very avoidable. All right, so here was some of the allocations for Pengu. A Pudgy Penguins received 1.7 million. Giga Chads in the Abstract Discord received 250K. I was an elite Chad, so I received 17K. I was an OG ETH user, and I believe I also was an OG Solana user. So yeah, I got around 30K. Apparently all wallets created before 2024 were eligible. I think that's just funny. It's supposed to be funny. All right, so here's some of the alpha about Abstract and some of the ways you can get involved. Abstract is a new ETH Layer 2, which aims to be the leading consumer crypto chain. If you have one of the Pudgy Penguin plushies, I believe that you'll be able to claim Pengu on Abstract next year in January when it goes live. All right, so Abstract is focusing on culture, community, and supporting builders, improving onboarding experiences for users with its global wallet. This video explains in less than 60 seconds.
Life cycle. This allows every account on Abstract is a smart contract. How does that work? Abstract implements account abstraction natively into the protocol. This means anybody can write a smart contract account that has any custom features like social login, wallet recovery methods, spending limits, passkey support, and more. If you're using an existing account like MetaMask, for example, your account will get converted into a smart contract during the transaction lifecycle. This allows developers to build one single flow to support both EOAs and smart contract wallets. And users can use a single smart contract wallet to interact with any application on Abstract.
All right, so over my head, but sounds like they're going to make it easier to interact with the blockchain. So they're in testnet right now. So all you have to do is to earn points before mainnet, register on Abstract, connect your wallet, connect your Twitter account, complete all required social tasks, and optional, mint the NFT by covering the fee or skip if you prefer. So here's some of the projects that qualified you for the elite Chad role and most likely will be rewarded in the future when Abstract is launched. If you are part of these groups, time to claim your role. The form for elite was closed, but you should stay active in the Discord. So you got Pudgy Penguins, obviously, Doodles, Bodogos, Mogcoin even, Arc Stellar, Bored Ape Yacht Club. I mean, you can see this list. It's a lot of different projects. D-Gods, Meme Land, Sappy Sills, Mad Lads, Mochaverse, Sugartown. To earn more points, you can claim the faucet. So a faucet is essentially a way to get testnet tokens for free. So they have their own Abstract bridge. If you want to bridge from like Ethereum testnet to Abstract testnet. They also have Galaxy quests. Galaxy is kind of bullshit in my opinion, but hey, they have quests you can complete. And they also have layer 3 quests. Find all the Jesus Christ. Keeps on freaking, what the hell happened here? All right, find all the details and instructions in the Abstract official Discord. So I would join their Discord. Engage with the NFT ecosystems. Gaming on Abstract is another narrative to watch. They're building the foundation for DeFi. So obviously you're going to have DEXs so you can swap and shit. And it goes live in January. So you still have like half a month to complete some of these tasks. And I am going to go out on a limb and say, you will get an airdrop. All right. So here's someone talking about Zeus. We've been talking about Zeus since it was 50 cents. Let's see what the price of Zeus is at right now. It's very volatile. I've noticed that. It's at 85 cents, 84. Got up to about 98 cents yesterday, but over the last 7 days, it's up 82%. We were buying down here, and this is bringing Bitcoin over to Solana. So still affordable at 76 cents. Zeus Network is unlocking Bitcoin liquidity on Solana via Apollo by Zeus Infrastructure. Z Bitcoin will represent Bitcoin on Solana. Z Bitcoin meaning Bitcoin will with Solana's speed and efficiency. So, I mean, you guys saw what happened with like Coinbase Bitcoin and other forms of Bitcoin on other networks. This is bringing Bitcoin to Solana. So I believe this is going to be huge. This is going to be huge. And I think it's pretty undervalued right now. I think this could easily get to $1 billion market cap. All right. Zora OP rewards claiming is live. The only kicker with this is you have to do KYC. But if you have minted Zora NFTs, you most likely qualify for this. So it doesn't hurt to check. The downside is if it's KYC, it might gatekeep you from like claiming in the United States and Canada and shit like that. So still, I mean, I would give Airdrop Adventure a follow. They always come out with airdrops that I qualify for that I did not even know existed. So it's an alpha account to follow. All right, and that's pretty much it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Any tokens you guys are looking at? Anything you want me to take a look at? Our position over here on Convex is up to $100, and this is like a week old. So in less than a week, I've generated $100 off of, I think, 0.65 Ethereum. So if you want to get into this pool, you're going to have to enter Curve. Let's just connect our MetaMask so you can see. Do you think it's a good time to buy Pengu now? Let's check. I think the time to buy Pengu is around 60, 70, 80% of people have claimed their token. And then from that amount of people, I would say maybe around half are going to take profits. Let's see. What are we up in the last like hour and a half? All right. Decent. We're up like 15%. But what do you guys expect for the Pengu token? Do you think it could get back up to 4.4 billion market cap? Almost 4.5 billion market cap? That it'd have to go up 100+%. I mean, it's so hard to say like what you should do, because you got like Magic Eden, which is just gone on downhill spiral. It's most likely this. Actually, it's most likely this one. 3.3 million in liquidity. Yeah, let's go out to like the 4-hour. So I really hope that the Pengu airdrop doesn't look. The Pengu token chart does not look like something like this. I want it to look like something like this. I would rather it look something like this. This was an airdrop that rewarded early users of the Hyperliquid platform. And I mean, it's been nothing but up and to the right. It's currently down 12%, but that's barely anything. Let's say you bought at the 4 billion market cap. You're up over 1x or 2x. So yeah, we shall wait and see. Hopefully some of you guys, if you're Degens, you did this. Let's see. Where is my message? Let's see. So Easy Eats Bodega put out a great video on how to provide liquidity to the pair using Meteora dynamic liquidity market makers. Meteora website. And then we're going to have to go to the app. So you go over to DLMM and then you go to Pengu. All right, so there's 72 pools open right now. You can filter them by the highest 24-hour fees. So let's say we go into this one. Agree, let's go. Let's see if my wallet is no, I'm gonna have to add the password. This is for advanced users. Phantom, here we go. Not now. Okay, so we're on the Pengu Soul liquidity pool on Meteora. And let's say I want to add liquidity. So there's different ways that you can add liquidity. You can do spot, you can do curve, or you can do bid ask. And again, if you are doing this, I would 100% watch that video. Watch this video if you want to add liquidity and get the trading fees. The whole reason to do this is because it is super, super hot right now. The 24-hour volume, let's see, where are we at? 24-hour volume is at 478 million. So traders are trading. Traders are trading this token, and there's definitely an opportunity to make money off of the trading pair, Pengu and Sol. So again, right here, I'll pin it. So you guys can experiment with it. Looks like Bonk also had some drops for Pengu. Yeah, I think if you had your Bonk staked, you actually got a little allocation of Pengu. All right, so, I mean, that's pretty much it for today. Let's check out our aerodrome position real quick. It always takes a minute to load up Aerodrome's dashboard here. All right, we're up to $9.6 in aero emissions, so that's $18. So it's $18.36 that we're just getting for staking our liquidity pool tokens. We put in equal parts USDC, equal parts aero. So if the aero price goes up, our staked amount goes up, and emissions are just 24/7. We're earning 54%. Pretty good. Pretty good. Also, Camino. Camino has some great pools. Yeah. Crypto Dave, you have to be careful of the price movement. I missed huge upside on PopCap because I got sold out of my position. Yeah, depending on how you set up your pool, you could be DCAing into the token Pengu or DCAing into Solana or vice versa. So again, watch that Easy Eats Bodega video, and he goes over every single type of way to add liquidity. A bid ask, a spot, or a curve type of liquidity pool. But over here on Camino, we love Camino on this channel. We've been using this since January of this year. So you can add liquid staking tokens from like Marinade. So if you have just Solana sitting in your wallet, you can liquid stake it, receive 10.82%, and receive M Solana. You could take your M Solana over to Camino, and then you could like double dip it. So let's go over to liquidity, go over to the hourglass or the looking glass, and type in M Sol. So here are all the pools that you can add liquidity to for M Sol. So M Sol and Sol is giving you 12.28%. Marinade and M Sol is giving you 46%. MSOL and USDC is giving you 20%. So this is a very similar position to this, not this one, this one. Semi-similar, but not, it's like same, but not same. Obviously, we're using different tokens, but the idea is there. So if we click on this, we can see the breakdown, 27-day fees, APY, you're getting the fees from the trading pair. And it's a tracker with reset. So that's the type of strategy. Earn trading fees by providing liquidity for 2 assets. Camino manages the ranges, rebalancing and auto compounding all of fees and rewards. So it's not like you have to really be watching this and monitoring this if you enter into this type of pool. But you can also borrow and lend. And by using Camino, you're gaining points. In the top right-hand corner, if you enter into a borrow, lend, a liquidity, or a multiply or anything, you'll start to generate points. And then you will earn Camino by the end of the season. You can stake your Camino to earn a boost on your positions. So it's like a win-win, win-win. Obviously, they have other types of pools. They have Judo Soul. They have B Soul, KY Soul, Jupiter and Solana. So just Jupiter token and Solana. They even have like meme coin pools. Bonk and Soul, if you want to add to this, you get 32%. Popcat and Soul on Meteora. So this is using a Meteora DLMM. This one is probably a little bit more risky. Yeah, a lot of opportunities to deploy your unused capital and get rewards and APY off of it. All right. I think that's about it for today now. Bitcoin's still holding above $106,000. Ethereum does not know how to go above 4K and stay there. And yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. Par for the course. Bonk up slightly. I was actually worried about Bonk. Let's go to Trading View. I actually even have... Nope, I have Modang up. Let's go to Bonk. I don't want a Trading View. All right. So, actually, that's good that we got some price action to push us above this level here. The 4 zeros and a 3. And if you zoom out, this is the level that I drew from previous all-time highs. Just bringing it down. And it peaked below it for about 9 days, but now we're kind of going above it. This is the daily, and we have a green dot on the daily. So that's really good to see. Really good. 4 hour looks strong. You have the anchor wave, trigger wave on the market cipher B down here. The RSIs are starting to head up. Money flow is in the red, though, so we're going to want this to head up into the green. But yeah, I'm holding my Bonk. I think Bonk could get up to 4 zeros and 7. Which would be 100% gain from where we're currently at. All right. Now I think we're good. I think that covers pretty good amount of information for today. Be sure to give us a follow over here on Degen Alpha Show. We'll be live tomorrow at around 4:15, 4:30, right after my Mario Fall gaming stream. We're going to be playing Shatterline. Super fun game. And I'm going to have to go into my OBS settings and revert my camera now because I had to add a new camera source and get rid of the old one, which stopped working. All right. Because this is probably not going to work if I click this button. Yeah. See? That's all right. Just one little easy fix. But I appreciate you guys watching. Smash that like button on your way out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be blessed. Taco out.